Welcome back to Tech Transport. Electric vehicles are no longer just for early adopters. As the technology becomes more widespread, automakers are shifting their focus to attract a larger audience. One of the most successful examples in Australia is the BYD Atto. The 2025 update aims to keep this model competitive by reducing costs and adding more features, while maintaining its strong value and technological appeal. The BYD Atto has seen significant price cuts, making it more accessible to a broader customer base. The extended range model, which was priced at over $50,000 earlier in 2025, now starts at $47,490 before on-road costs, reflecting a reduction of more than $3,500. The standard model is similarly reduced, priced from $44,900. These price cuts are essential to sustaining interest as the electric vehicle market evolves beyond early adopters. In addition to the price reductions, BYD has introduced several important new features in the 2025 Atto 3. Both the standard and extended range models now come with a 15.8-inch multimedia touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the previous 12.8-inch screen. This touchscreen rotates between portrait and landscape modes, a signature feature of BYD. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, enhancing user connectivity. The exterior design remains largely unchanged, with the only notable difference being a new Cosmos black color option and the replacement of the "Build Your Dreams" lettering with a simple BYD badge. The focus has clearly been on enhancing technology and interior features. The interior now offers a new black and blue trim option, providing a fresh aesthetic, although the design, including the polarizing guitar string door pockets, may not appeal to everyone. Under the hood, the 2025 Atto 3 continues to use the same electric motor as the 2024 model, delivering adequate performance for a mid-size SUV, with a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 7.3 seconds for the extended range model. The standard range offers a 345 km driving range, while the extended range stretches this to 420 km, addressing concerns about range anxiety for most daily commutes. With a solid warranty and reasonable service costs, the BYD Atto 3 remains a compelling option for those considering an affordable and well-equipped electric vehicle in 2025.